All right, thank you, Troy. Now that the back-to-school hustle and bustle is winding down and students and parents are settling into their school year routines, it may be time to plan for dealing with mental and emotional challenges that come with a new year, including peer pressure, academic stress, and the downsides of social media for students and parents. Chris, you're with someone to tell us a lot more about this.
I sure am. I'm with Kendra Ruddy from the Alliance Prevention. Thanks for being here this morning.
Thanks for having me.
So first off, I want to give us an idea, what issues are kids dealing with the most as they head back to school and are in school for this first month?
Yeah, well, a big thing we've been finding, and we were even discovering this prior to COVID, was just the increase of stress, anxiety, difficult feelings, worry, all of that type of thing. And unfortunately, because of COVID, it only got worse. So now that we're coming out of that post-COVID time, there's still a lot of issues and things that students are trying to work through, trying to understand. So we just are still seeing kind of like that mental health crisis, right? Where there's a lot of individuals who are just kind of struggling to figure out what resources are available, how to deal with them, what they can do, who they can talk to, that kind of stuff.
You know, for sure, since I've been in school, which has been a while now, you know, we've come a long way with dealing with emotions and talking about emotions.
Yeah.
I mean, what would you say to, parents and students about, having emotional chats?
Yeah, well, I think it's huge. And I think the great thing is we've done a lot of good work about breaking that stigma, right? So there's a lot more conversations happening. There's a lot more individuals talking about it. But I really just encourage parents to still be very open to those conversations. A lot of times students don't know for sure what to ask or who to say, and they're just looking for help, and they're just looking for somebody to listen. So just providing that safe space, providing the opportunity to be able to have those open and honest conversations and let students know that you're there and that you care and you want to help them.
All right, give us an example of what kind of programming you offer.
Yeah, so we do all different kinds of things. The Alliance, our mission is empowering healthy communities through innovative prevention, wellness, and recovery support. So a big chunk of what we do is prevention. So we have vape education prevention, we have marijuana education prevention, and underage drinking, all different kinds of things. But two really big programs tying into the mental health that we do are our Renewed and our Renewed Junior programs. And those are for elementary and middle school students, and they talk a lot about how to understand those big and difficult feelings, how to identify them, what they look like. And we talk about things like mindfulness, how to practice breathing exercises and other healthy coping skills to kind of deal with those difficult situations.
So is this programming offered for free, and how does the school district get involved in this?
Yeah, that's a great question. So we service all of Oakland County for free, which is huge. So schools do not need to pay for our programming. We as the Alliance staff actually go in and implement the programming, so there's no training or anything that teachers need to do. And if they are interested in having the program, one really awesome thing is we have 21 community coalitions who are our community partners that actually are in a lot of the areas of Oakland County. So they can connect with them, or they can come directly to the Alliance. They can visit our website at alliancemi.org. Or they could give us a call at 248-221-7101 and just let them know what we're looking for, and our office manager will connect us accordingly.
So then the district reaches out to you, then you offer the programming, and then kids just kind of sign up as they want.
We go directly into the school. So a lot of times schools say, hey, we want this during our health class, or we want this during our gym time, as in the beginning they want to do programming and then they finish with gym. So we go directly into the school during their school day, sometimes even after school if counselors maybe identify like a group of students that they want to have the program. So
great programs you're offering. Kendra, thanks a lot for dropping by
today.
today.
Thanks so much. Thanks for having me.
Really appreciate it.